I found these shadow boxes, buy one, get one free at Michael's. So we are making some rolled paper flowers in shadow boxes, and we're going to do them for Mother's Day. And I'm probably gonna gift one to my husband because he's been asking for one for over a year. So I'm gonna show you how to do that today. Let's get started. I chose to do a variety of different flowers, and I downloaded this cut file from creativefabrica.com. I have a membership right now, and it's $1 for the first month, so hey, that's a pretty good deal. I have a discount code as well, so I can give you that link. If you need it, let me know. Otherwise, let's keep going. Hit download, then make sure to go into your downloads folder. Once you get there, you're going to right-click, go down to Extract All, Extract. I'm using a Windows computer. I've already done this, so it's not gonna let me do it again. Now you can hop on over to CRICUT Design Space. Design Space, I'm going to upload image, browse, and then I'm going to start selecting each file. Now this one has a lot of them, so I'm just going to show you one. We're going to hit upload, and it's on there, add to canvas. Now I'm just sizing it to what I like it to be. I normally make a little template with just a shape in the background of my size of cardstock that I have. So let's say it's like this. I'm just doing a quick little tutorial for this one. And there we go. I'm actually cutting 2 of them out on a sheet, so I duplicate it. So something like this. Of course, it's just a rough estimate because it's a tutorial. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the template with the little eye, attach these, and make it. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut this out on my cardstock with my Cricut using the light cardstock setting. This is what it looks like once it's done. It's kind of like a little spiral. So there are a lot of little hacks to do this faster, but we're going to show you no tools, just a simple way to do it. It takes a little bit longer, but you don't need tools to do it. You're going to start from the outside. So this is what the spiral looks like. I'm starting at the top on the outside, and you just take your fingers and you start spinning it. Like I said, there are hacks. You could use a screwdriver with a little bobby pin that you attach, and it just spins it really fast for you. We'll try that in another video. You can use your weeding tool and spin it around that. So I'm going to go ahead and spin until the whole thing gets to the bottom, and then I'll be back. While I'm spinning it, I'm making sure to hold the top and the bottom at the same time so that it stays all one kind of level, if that makes sense. And then we're just adding to the side. The end of it, so we have this little bit of a tail end here. It's a little circle, so we have it and it just folds over. And the reason for this is I'm going to glue this and hold it down, and that's what's gonna hold it together. So now I have a flower. When I let go of it, it's going to unravel a little bit. So you can kind of shape it a little bit to what you like. You can spread it out. I'm gonna have to make a part 2, but this is kind of what it turns out like. Super cute. Follow for more Cricut tips and part 2.